So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today again I unbox a very popular product, and today I unboxed a gaming joystick. So if you don't have any idea what a joystick is, then I say some words on joystick. That joystick is like a gaming pad. If you use any Xbox One or any PS4 like gaming console, then there is no keyboard and mouse, then you must use this joystick also. But the benefit of PC, laptop or computer is you can use joystick with as well as mouse and keyboard also. So okay, no more talk, let's unpack this. So friends, as you can see here, that this is Logitech F310 version. The model number is Logitech F310, and as you can see here, this is the Logitech branding. So as you can see here, this is the Logitech branding, and so this is the actually bill. Actually I buy it from Amazon. As you can see here, this is Amazon branding. So this is the bill, this is the bill. Okay, so let's unpack this. So actually it comes with 3 years warranty, and this is the warranty card. Okay, and this is the user's manual. That means how you can connect to your PS4, Xbox One or any computer also. The benefit is so friends, another important point is the price of the controller is 1100. So in this price range, this is, I think this is very good product. As the switcher is also good, and this is use hard plastic plus ebonite, and as you can see here, so okay, and this is also slightly matte finish, and the build quality is excellent. And as you can see here, this is the wire is also good, and this is the USB 2.0, and the USB is slightly gold plated. So okay, and actually this all keys have some separate functions, and you can also control it by your programming softwares. Another thing is this controller with not comes with any pre-installation driver CD. So okay, you must control and set the switches in the game option. In the game option, you can easily see in every game there is a controller option. From there you can easily set which switch, which function. So okay, it's pretty similar like Xbox One controller, and the color is also, as you can see here, this is also switch here. So actually this is a, as you can see here, this is very satisfying, and the satisfying touch. So okay, so start, back, mode, this is micro switches are there. So okay friends, in this price range, this I think this is the best gaming controller. For most of the game, like mainly sports game like FIFA, NBA, or cricket, playing with controller is very good, but in other FPS game like Call of Duty, Far Cry, Crisis, mouse and keyboard is good. But in FIFA, there you must use this joystick to good gaming experience. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. Okay friends, goodbye.